Good morning, students. Today we will continue this chapter. Now open your book at 104. Let us read. Separation of impurities. Dirty water has many impurities. Some, like sand and mud, are insoluble in water. Others, like some salts, are dissolved in water. Insoluble impurities like mud and sand can be separated from water by sedimentation and decantation or filtration. Stir in a fistful of sand in a glass beaker full of water. The particles of sand can be seen moving in the stirred water. Allow it to settle. After a while, the sand settles in the bottom of the beaker as a layer of sediment. Above the layer of sand, the water looks clear. Gently tilt the beaker and carefully pour out the clear water into another beaker. This pouring out of the clean water is known as decantation. So, student, insoluble impurities may be separated from water by sedimentation and then by decantation. So, you can do this experiment at your home. First take a glass of water, then take some sand and stir it well. Keep this water for some time. You can see a layer has stored at the bottom of the glass. This is sediment and the water above the sediment is clear. So pour out the clear water into another. So you can purify impure water by this process. A filter paper allows clean water to go through but traps small particles of dirt. The apparatus for filtration of water consists of a funnel fixed to a stand, a filter paper and a beaker placed below. The round piece of filter paper is first folded, as shown in the illustration below, to make a cone. This cone is placed in the funnel and dirty water is poured into it. Clean water trickles through the filter paper, collecting in the beaker below. The dirt gets filtered in the process. So you can take a filter paper, then mold it like this. Then keep the filter paper here and pour the dirty water. So this paper helps to separate the dirt from the water. So this is called filter. To separate salt from a saline solution, it is heated. Once the water starts boiling, it slowly evaporates as steam, leaving salt in the container. Salt is commercially produced from seawater, which is salty. The seawater is allowed to stand in large areas called salt beds. The heat of the sun evaporates the water, leaving dry salt to be collected for our use. So we can use to separate salt from a saline solution. In this process, we can get salt that we use in our daily life. So student, read this very carefully. Student, for today question number 2 and 3 is your homework. So follow this and do it in your copy. Okay. Hope today's topic is clear. See you in the next class. Bye bye students.